Life doesn't wait for anyone. Every journey has moments where the path ahead feels invisible, where every step seems heavier than the last. The world is impatient, and our own thoughts are often the harshest critics, whispering, "Stop, maybe this isn't for you, give up." But here's the truth: stopping is easy, moving forward is hard, and the people who refuse to stop are the ones who change everything. Elon Musk knew this reality. In 2008, SpaceX had failed 3 times. Rockets exploded. Millions of dollars vanished. Investors lost faith. Media mocked him. And even his own team felt hopeless. The pressure, unimaginable. The world seemed to shout, "Quit now." He could have walked away. He could have accepted failure like many would. But instead, he remembered one line, a simple English line, that became his anchor, his guide, his rule. Pause. Let it resonate. If you know you're on the right path, you don't stop. It's not flashy. It's not complicated. But it holds the essence of every success story ever written. It reminded him, and it can remind you, that failure is temporary. Clarity is more important than genius, and consistent action always wins. Most people think success depends on luck or talent. That's a myth. True success comes from knowing your direction, and refusing to quit, no matter what the world says. Think about yourself. Have you ever started something full of hope, only to stop a week later because results didn't appear immediately? That doubt, that hesitation, is the trap that catches almost everyone. Elon Musk faced that trap head-on. 3 failures. Millions lost. Eyes of the world watching. And yet, he repeated that line in his mind, like a mantra, a principle to guide every next move. Pause, breathe, imagine being there. Alone. Feeling the weight of the world, every choice uncertain, but anchored by a principle that keeps you moving forward. Here's what it really means. If you know clarity, be certain about your direction, your purpose, or effort becomes wasted. Right path, purpose. Every action, however small, aligns with your vision. Step by step, it grows. Don't stop. Persistence. The ultimate weapon. Talent without persistence is meaningless. Momentum is built one step at a time, every day, without exception. Now imagine applying this to your life. Pick one small action today. Maybe it's learning a few new English words, writing a paragraph, sending one email for your project. Whatever it is, just don't stop. Tomorrow, repeat it. The next day, repeat it again. Slowly, consistently, relentlessly. That is how progress becomes unstoppable. Look at ordinary people who achieved extraordinary results. Writers rejected repeatedly before publishing bestsellers. Athletes who lost for years before winning. Entrepreneurs bankrupt more than once before creating multi-million-dollar companies. The difference? Persistence. They didn't stop, even when the world doubted them. Elon Musk understood this better than most. Alone in his office that night, facing failure, pressure, and doubt, he chose to believe. Today, SpaceX rockets fly. Tesla changed the automotive world. He is not just a billionaire, but a visionary. All guided by one simple principle, one line. Pause, reflect. What is your right path? What is the one thing you know in your heart is worth pursuing, no matter the obstacles? Identify it. Own it. And when doubt or fear arises, repeat this line. If you know you're on the right path, you don't stop. Small, consistent steps build unstoppable momentum. The world may doubt you. People may laugh. Failure may strike. But clarity, purpose, and persistence are your ultimate tools. By now, you understand the line. You've seen the principle. You've imagined applying it. But part 3. This is where transformation happens. This is where ordinary steps become extraordinary momentum. Let's start with fear. Fear is universal. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of wasting time. Everyone feels it. But here's the truth. Fear is your testing ground. Every time you face it and move forward, you prove your path is right. You prove your commitment. You prove to yourself that you won't stop. Think of Elon Musk again. By the third SpaceX failure, financial ruin knocking, media mocking, investors gone, team exhausted, and yet, he persisted. Why? Because he understood the principle. He knew his path. He remembered. If you know you're on the right path, you don't stop. Now it's your turn. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Today. Take one action aligned with your path. One small, deliberate step. No excuses. Just action. Visualize this. A single step. It seems tiny. Maybe insignificant. Maybe unnoticed. But the next step, the next day, builds on it. Slowly, day after day, momentum accumulates. Confidence grows. Skills sharpen. Belief solidifies. And the impossible begins to feel achievable. Now, setbacks will come. Failures will happen. Obstacles will appear. That's inevitable. But here's the difference. Persistent people don't quit. They see setbacks as lessons, failures as feedback, obstacles as opportunities to grow. And each time, they repeat the line. If you know you're on the right path, you don't stop. Let's take a real-world example. Imagine a student learning English. First day, struggles with pronunciation. Second day, mistakes in writing. Third day, confused with grammar rules. Most would quit. But the persistent one remembers the line. Practices again. Practices tomorrow. Practices the day after. Momentum builds. Fluency grows. Confidence soars. That's the power of persistence. Now, let's talk about clarity. Clarity is your compass. Without it, persistence may be wasted effort. Ask yourself, what excites me? What energizes me? What aligns with my purpose? The answers guide your daily steps. The answers define your right path. Purpose comes next. Purpose transforms small actions into meaningful progress. Each small step, aligned with your vision, compounds into life-changing momentum. Action without purpose is just motion. Action with purpose creates transformation. Persistence, the final element. Persistence turns vision into reality. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary, between those who dream and those who achieve, is simple. They didn't stop. Now, imagine applying all three, clarity, purpose, persistence, for 30 days. Each day, a small step. Track it. Reflect on it. Repeat. Momentum grows. Confidence strengthens. Results emerge. And gradually, the impossible becomes reality. Think of the greats. Musk, J.K. Rowling. Athletes, entrepreneurs, artists. They weren't superhuman. They weren't lucky. They didn't have extraordinary talent from the start. They had persistence. They had clarity. They had purpose. And they didn't stop. Your challenge is simple. One action today. Repeat tomorrow. Repeat the day after. Face fear. Overcome doubt. Move forward. Each repetition builds momentum. Each momentum builds belief. Each belief fuels transformation. Now pause. Reflect. Breathe. Ask yourself, am I on my right path? Am I acting daily, even in the face of fear? Am I refusing to stop? Answer honestly, and let that guide your next step. And here's the emotional truth. Greatness isn't about talent. It isn't about luck. It isn't about genius. It's about refusing to stop. Aligning actions with clarity and purpose. Turning small, consistent steps into extraordinary outcomes. Stand up. Take a deep breath. Say it aloud. If I know I'm on the right path, I don't stop. Let it echo. Let it guide. Let it move you. Take the next step. Then the next. then the next. Momentum builds. Belief grows. Results appear. Transformation happens. By the end of 30 days, the person who hesitated before, the person who doubted, the person who almost gave up, is no longer the same. You are stronger, wiser, unstoppable. Elon Musk didn't stop. J.K. Rowling didn't stop. Countless others didn't stop. And now, it's your turn. Take the line. Apply it. Live it. Repeat it daily. And watch your life transform. Pause. Reflect. Breathe. Remember, the path is yours. The action is yours. The choice to not stop will define your future. Every small step you take, every time you refuse to quit, brings you closer to the life you are capable of creating. Every doubt you overcome, every fear you face, strengthens your resilience. And every repetition builds unstoppable momentum. Stand tall, commit, act, repeat. And know this, the person who doesn't stop wins. And that person is you. So now, you know the line. You know the principle. But knowing isn't enough. You must apply it. This part is about action, about transformation, about turning that simple line into unstoppable momentum. Imagine this. What if you applied this line for 30 days? Not once, not occasionally, every single day. How different would your life look? How much closer would you be to the person you've always wanted to become? The first step is finding your right path. This is more than a goal, more than wishful thinking. Your path is what excites you, what gives you energy, what aligns with your values. Ask yourself, what is the one thing I know deep down is worth pursuing, even if it's difficult? Pause, reflect. Your path doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be real. Clarity comes first. Once you know your path, the next step becomes obvious. Step 2, don't stop. This is where most people fail. They start, full of hope, then doubt sneaks in, results seem slow, fear grows, and they quit. Momentum is not built by inspiration alone. Momentum is built by small, consistent actions repeated daily. Pick one small task aligned with your purpose today. Maybe it's learning 5 English words, writing 1 paragraph, practicing your skill for 10 minutes, sending a single email. Whatever it is, don't stop. Tomorrow, repeat it. The day after, repeat again. Slowly, patiently, relentlessly. That is how change becomes unstoppable. Step 3, track your progress. Keep a journal. Make notes. Measure the small wins. Every repetition reinforces your commitment. Elon Musk didn't just hope for success. He measured, adjusted, and moved forward with deliberate focus. Now visualize this. One small step today. Insignificant. Maybe. Invisible. Possibly. But the second step, and the third, and the fourth, they accumulate. Momentum grows. Confidence builds. Results begin to appear. Suddenly, the impossible feels achievable. Even when doubt hits, when failure seems near, when the world tells you to quit, this is your ultimate test. Pause. Breathe. Repeat the line in your mind. If you know you're on the right path, you don't stop. This is what separates ordinary people from the extraordinary. Talent is overrated. Luck is temporary. Persistence is eternal. It transforms repeated small actions into massive success. It's the force that allowed Musk to continue after 3 failed launches, and eventually create rockets that reach orbit, and revolutionize an entire industry. Now look at your own life. The goals you've delayed. The habits you've struggled to form. The skills you want to master. The dreams you've postponed. They all require one thing above all: courage to continue, even when progress is invisible, even when no one is watching. Imagine applying this for 30 days. One deliberate step each day. Face fear. Take action. Repeat. Momentum will grow. Confidence will surge. Skills will sharpen. And by the end of the month, you'll see the change. You'll feel the growth. You'll realize your potential is far beyond what you imagined. Let's break the line down one more time. Clarity. Know what you want, why you want it. Purpose. Align your actions with your vision. Persistence. Move forward, no matter the obstacles. Ordinary people have transformed through this mindset. Writers rejected multiple times before publishing bestsellers. Entrepreneurs who faced bankruptcy before building multi-million-dollar companies. Students failing exams again and again, then mastering their craft. What separated them? Not luck, not genius, not talent. They didn't stop. Now, here's the 24-hour challenge. Identify your right path today. Take one small action, record it, commit to repeating it tomorrow, and the day after. That's how momentum starts. That's how unstoppable progress begins. Pause. Reflect. Elon Musk had the same 24 hours you do. Every minute counts. Your path, your action, your decision to not stop, defines your future. Remember, this line is simple, but its power is immense. Small steps repeated consistently become unstoppable force. Every doubt you overcome, every fear you face, strengthens resilience. Every time you refuse to stop, you align with the principle that guided the most successful minds in history. Stand up. Take a breath. Say it aloud if needed. If I know I'm on the right path, I don't stop. Let it echo. Let it guide. Let it move you. Because each step, each repetition, brings you closer to the life you are capable of creating. Each action builds momentum. Each action builds belief. Each action builds transformation. The people who achieved greatness. Elon Musk, J.K. Rowling, countless others, they didn't stop. And now it's your turn. Let this line guide you. Let it inspire you. Let it drive you. Today, tomorrow, and every day until your path becomes reality. Pause. Reflect. Breathe. And remember, the path is yours, your actions are your power, your choice to not stop will define your future.